Good afternoon. It is beautiful out today. Anyway, got a couple things I need to discuss. First of all, flip you around here. Got this out. Drove it to Powell County this morning to the doctor. On the way home, I noticed when I let off the gas, every now and then, it didn't do it all the time, but every now and then it kind of sounded like a pinion bearing, to be honest with you. But I got a 430 gear in here. It might be time to just go ahead and switch the gear. And then I got a power glide right there. It needs to go in it. It's got a TH350 in it right now at the moment, and it does great. Like literally, it does really good. I hate to tear it apart, to be honest with you, but I think it's time to find something different. I like little trucks. Don't get me wrong. I've got Roxy and Ned and us and over here, and the one my daughter drives, and that and over there, and the extended cab belongs to my brother in the garage, and it's all God's as sins. But I've got enough junk laying around to possibly put something else together. Anyway, I wanted to hop on here and today's Monday, the 3rd, February. It's about 68 degrees. I ain't mad at it. I am not one bit mad. But, yep, got the red one out. I'm gonna clean it up real quick, and I'll bring y'all back here shortly. That daggone light. No. We're at the house. I was gonna say crib, but anyway, we're at the house. The old lady called, panicking, saying her car won't go over 20 miles an hour. We're here checking it out. 2008 Toyota Camry, 4-cylinder. Anyway, it's a bucking, jumping, carrying on. Get the cover off real quick. I'll bring you right back. Got the cover removed. Took all the coil packs off. Laid them in order. Which you can't mess up. I mean, the wires only reach the wire on one. Let's yank a plug out. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but I think I figured it out. Focus. Focus. Got a lot of buildup. That's horrible looking. I'm almost ashamed to even show you all this. God. Okay, I got them all out. Evaluating it. Show you all. I think I figured out why it's missing. I'm not 100% sure. Don't hold me to it. I got a pretty good idea. I found the culprit. I don't see how it was even running. I asked her, "Have we ever changed plugs?" "Oh yeah, we changed them." Don't think we have. I think she's got it mistaken for something else. I think that's the miss, though. I do believe. Anyway, getting ready to install some NGKs. G-Power Platinum Alloy Spark Plugs. I love this ratchet. I don't use a ratchet too often. But this one right here, for twisting the handle. I love this ratchet. Anyway, and you can do it that way too. I love my magnet socket. I don't worry about them damn rubber O-ring deals. I got it, don't you worry. Non-spark plug changing thing. And they're laughing. She wasn't laughing earlier when she was walking. Open another box up. Make yourself useful. Oh, goodness. I put the bolts back in. The bolts is what holds the coils down. Like I was saying earlier, there's no way of getting the wires wrong. They only reach to one. Somebody broke the clip off that one. ratchet. All right. Okay, that didn't fix it. May have to reset itself. Hold on. Give it a little bit of gas. Let it idle. You got a backhoe. Well, back to the parts store. This is a newer coil, and it's dead. It still has a miss, and I can unplug all of them while it was running one at a time. This one here changed nothing. So I shut the car back off. As you all seen, it had a miss. I switched it with number 4, started it back. Number 3 was firing, number 4 wasn't. So on to the way to the parts house to get a coil. Parts house bound. That sounded a little fruity, didn't it? I just do a pit stop, picking up my daughter's W2. But anyway, it's awful pretty out. Anybody working on hot rods out there? Toys, rat rods, or just enjoying the weather? Pretty nice, I know. I wouldn't be one bit mad at it if it just stayed like this, to be honest with you. I love this weather, God almighty. But we live in Kentucky, so be 68 tomorrow and 24 tomorrow, or 68 today and 24 snowing tomorrow. But that groundhog, what did that do? Did it see its shadow? Which is funny. They say if a groundhog sees its shadow, you got 6 more weeks till winter, or spring, or bad weather, or whatever, however that saying goes. I don't care how you look at it, you still got 6 weeks till spring. Yabba dabba doo. Get a little video of the sun going down. Real pretty sky. Take 2. lack of maintenance. Isn't it amazing?
You need to fix that heat shield. Rattling.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and call that a success. Lack of maintenance. Plugs and a coil fixed her right up. Would you like to say anything? Comment, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.